Hi everyone, welcome to Physics Blaster. Today we are going to see about the experimental derivation of E equal to mc square. E equal to mc square is the world's famous equation by Albert Einstein. It says energy and mass are interchangeable. Both are the same thing of different form. Here E denotes the energy, m denotes the mass, and c denotes the speed of the light in vacuum. The experimental setup. Consider a box with a light source at one end. Consider a box with a light source at one end. A light pulse with radiation energy is emitted to the other end where it gets absorbed. Light source from the light source, light going to get emitted and later it will absorb by the other end. The box has a mass m and the length L. The length of the box is capital L and mass of the box is capital M. Due to the radiation pressure of the shooting light pulse, the box receives a recoil. Thus, the pulse is emitted during the time interval del t. The box going to receive a recoiling velocity. It is going to move the box in the other side, according to Newton's third law. Okay. After the recoiling, the box moves a certain distance in left side. The distance is x. Volume of the radiation energy portion is V equal to AC del T. During this time, the radiation pressure is P equal to rho c square. Rho is the density. Pressure of the radiation in certain direction is rho c square. Then another work done equal to pressure into volume. Work done equal to P into V. Work done is nothing but energy transfer. So E equal to P into V, where pressure equal to E by V. So pressure equal to E by V. Then we are going to equate the both. Rho c square equal to E by V. P equal to rho c square equal to E by ACET. For volume V equal to AC del T. Take pressure P equal to divided by AC del T, where V is the volume of the radiation pulse and A the area of cross section of the box. Okay, the recoiling velocity of the box is del V equal to minus A into del T. Here A is the acceleration, T is the time taken. The negative sign, we are putting this negative sign to denote that the box is moving opposite side. For A can be written as F by M, force by mass. So the recoiling velocity equal to minus P A del T by M. Put equation 3 in 4. The equation 3 is pressure equal to E divided by AC del T. Del V equal to minus C AC divided by AC del T into A del T by M. A del T get cancelled. So del V equal to minus C by MC. This is the recoiling velocity. The pulse takes the time L by C to move to the other side of the box. During this time, the box moves a distance x be the distance moved by the box due to recoiling velocity v. Del x equal to del v into L by c. Here L by c is the time taken. So we get put the value of recoiling velocity del v equal to minus e by mc into L by c. We get del x equal to minus c by L divided by mc square. Then the box is stopped by the radiation pressure caused by the light pulse hitting the wall at the other end of the box. Now let m be the mass of the radiation, small m be the mass of the radiation. Before Einstein, one would put m equal to 0. Einstein, however, reasoned as follows: since the box and its contents represents an isolated system, the mass center has not moved. The center of mass is not moved. The mass center of the box with mass m, capital M, has moved a distance del L to the left. The radiation with mass small m has moved a distance capital L to the right. From the concept of center of mass of two masses, we get small m into capital L plus capital M into del x equal to 0. So small m, mass of the radiation equal to minus m del x by capital L. This is the seventh equation. Put equation 6 in 7. What is the equation 6? Is del x equal to minus EL by mc square. M equal to minus m by L into minus EL by mc square. L get cancelled, mm cancelled. So we get m equal to mass of the radiation equal to E by c square. Then cross multiply it, you get E equal to mc square. It shows energy content of even small bodies is enormous. It shows radiation energy as an innate mass, and it is valid in general for all types of system. I took this derivation from the book Einstein's General Theory of Relativity with Modern Application in Cosmology book. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, share this video. Thank you.